In our last class, we have seen what is regression, some simple problems on regression. In this presentation, we are going to see the topic curve fitting. In curve fitting, we have three methods. Our first method is fitting a straight line. Second method is fitting a second degree polynomial. And our last method is fitting an exponential curve. In these three methods, our last method, fitting an exponential curve, is important 10-mark question. Let us see the definition of curve fitting. By method of least squares, we are going to find three methods. Our first method is fitting a straight line. Second method is fitting a second degree polynomial. And our last method is fitting a curve of the form y is equal to ae power bx, which is exponential curve form. So let us see our first method, which is we are taking, suppose x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, etc. up to xn comma yn bn pairs of values, and we have to determine the line of best fit for this data. So we have to find the line of best fit or trend line for these data. So let us assume that y is equal to a plus bx. So we are assuming y is equal to a plus bx as your line of best fit, or we can mention this equation as a trend line. Using the principles of least square, we have to determine the parameter values, which is a and b are our parameter. So using the principle of least square method, we have to find the values of a and b. It can be shown that a and b are determined by the equation. So by using these two equations, we are going to find the values of a and b. So the equations are na plus b summation x is equal to summation y, which is our equation number 1. A summation x plus b summation x square is equal to summation xy, which is our equation number 2. These equations are called normal equation. So by using these equation, we are going to find the line of best fit and the values of a and b in equation 1 and 2. Let us see our second method, which is fitting a second degree polynomial. So let us assume that x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, etc. up to xn comma yn bn pairs of values. Then y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square is the curve of best fit. So in last method, they are mentioned that which is the line of best fit. Here the curve of best fit. So fitting a second degree polynomial is a curve of best fit, which is our equation is y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. So the parameters are a, b and c. So we are going to determine these parameters by using the principle of least square method. So they are given by the normal equations. Our equation is na plus b summation x plus c summation x square is equal to summation y, which is our equation number 1. A summation x plus b summation x square plus c summation x cube is equal to summation xy, which is our second equation. A summation x square plus b summation x cube plus c summation x power 4 is equal to summation x square y, which is our third equation. Let us see our last method, which is fitting a curve of the form y is equal to a e power bx, which is exponential curve form. Here the best fit is y is equal to a plus bx caps a plus bx caps bx, where y is equal to log y. Our formulas are expanded here. So y is equal to log y, x is equal to small x, caps a is equal to log a, and caps b is equal to b log e. So to find the values of a and b, we have to solve the normal equation. So we know already what is normal equation, but here somehow it is different, which is na caps a here, n caps a plus caps b summation x is equal to summation y. So all the terms are in caps, and a summation x plus b summation x square is equal to summation xy. So this is the form of the exponential curves. Let us see one example. Fit a straight line trend to the data by the method of least square. So in our question, they are directly mentioned we have to fit a straight line trend to the given data by using the method of least square. So the data are given below. Let us construct a table. Our first column is year given year, and second column, which is small x, second column is output, which is small y, but you can take it as caps y. So y is equal to caps y, they are mentioned here. But you have to find the caps x value by using the formula of x minus 1982. Why here they are taken 1982? Because which is the midterm in the given year. So compare with all the terms, the midterm is 1982. In between term is 1982. So we are taking here x minus 1982. Which is assumed mean. We can say it as assumed mean also. So which is x minus 1982. And also you have to find the value of x square. After finding caps x, if you square the term, you will get x square value. And then you have to find the value of xy. If you multiply x into y, you will get caps xy value. So now first find the value of caps x by using x minus 1982. So your x values are 1979, 1980, like that. So if you subtract 1982 from these values, you will get 1979 minus 1982 will be minus 3. 1980 minus 1982 will be minus 2. 1981 minus 1982 will be minus 1. 1982 minus 1982 will be 0. 1983 minus 1982 will be 1. 1984 minus 1982 will be 2. 1985 minus 1982 will be 3. So these are the values in x. So if we square this term, minus 3 square will be 9, minus 2 square is 4, minus 1 square is 1, 0 square will be 0, 1 square is again 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So we'll get x square values. And then you have to multiply this x into the y value output, you will get xy values. After that you have to find the values of summation. Summation y square value will be 8949. So you have to add all the values in y, you will get summation y will be 8949. And then you have to find the value of x square, summation x square, which is if you add all the terms in x square, you will get 28, which is summation x square value. And then you have to find the value of summation xy. You have to add all the terms in xy, you will get 6522, which is your summation xy value. Because in our formula, we need the values of summation x, summation y, summation xy and summation x square, so that we are finding the values. So here they are mentioned, let y is equal to a plus bx be the line of best fit. We have to determine the parameters a and b using the method of least square. If we want to find the line of best fit, which is our equation, y is equal to a plus bx. In that equation, we need the values of a and b. These are parameters a and b. So we have to find the values of a and b first by using the formula. Using the normal equations, which is NA plus B summation x equal to summation y, which is our equation number 1. A summation x plus B summation x square is equal to summation xy. By using this equation, we are going to find the values of A and B. So we have taken already caps x equal to x minus 1982 and y is equal to small y and n is equal to 7, which is number of terms given in our question. So let us first substitute our values in equation number 1. N is 7a plus summation x value will be 0 of b, which is equal to summation y value is 8949. So b value is 0 into anything will be 0. So 7a is equal to 8949. So if we need a value, so a is equal to 8949 divided by 7. If we solve this, you will get a is equal to 1278.43. So we found the value of a. Now we are going to find the value of b. So which is our second equation implies, so 0 of a, summation x value is 0. So 0 of a plus b of summation x square is 28 is equal to summation xy value is 6522. So 0 into anything will be 0. So 28b is equal to 6522. So we need the value of b. If we take 28 into right hand side, which is in the divided term, so 6522 divided by 28 will be 232.93. So your b value is 232.93. So our trend line formula is caps y is equal to a plus bx. We have to take caps y is equal to a plus bx because in our solution we are converting our caps y, small y is equal to caps y, and we are finding the value of caps x equal to x minus using mid value. So that we have to take in a solution also. Our trend line is y is equal to a plus bx. After that you have to substitute y is equal to small y. So here small y, they are replaced. Small y is equal to 1278.43 plus b value 232.93 into caps x. We know the value of caps x, which is x minus 1982. So we have to conclude from this y is equal to 1278.43 plus 232.93 of x minus 1982. So we have to take it as the trend line as y is equal to a plus bx. After we have to change it into small y and small x values. This is solution for this problem. Let us see our next problem. Fit a straight line trend to the data by the method of least squares. Estimate scale of 1977. So they are directly mentioned here. We have to find the value of 1977. Scale of 1977. So the data are given below. Let us take y is equal to a plus bx be the line of best fit. We have to determine the parameters a and b using the method of least square. So because if we find the values of a and b, then we will directly substitute into our formula. So first we need the values of a and b. So we are going to find the values of a and b. Let us first construct a table. Our first column is years, which is given in our question. Second column is scales, that is also given in our question. So y is equal to caps y. We have to take small y is equal to caps y. And x is equal to x minus 1972. So which is, I already told you, you have to take one mid value or one in between value, which is here I have taken 1972 as my mid value, assumed mean. So if you substitute this value into x, you will get minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you add all the terms, you will get summation x equal to 4. And then you have to square x terms, you will get x square value, and you have to multiply x into y, you will get last column, which is xy column. So now we have to find the values of summation terms. So summation y will be 526. If you add all the terms in y, you will get 526, which is summation y value, and summation x is 4. Summation x square, if you add all the terms in x square, you will get 44, which is summation x square value. If you add all the terms in xy, you will get summation xy is equal to 571. So let us take caps x equal to x minus 1972 and y is equal to small y and n is equal to 8 because 8 data are given here. So your n is equal to 8. Our normal equations are NA plus B summation x equal to summation y, which is our equation number 1. A summation x plus B summation x square is equal to summation xy, which is our equation number 2. Now we are going to substitute our values in these two equations. Let us first substitute our values in first equation. So n value is 8. So 8a plus summation x value is 4. 4b is equal to summation y value is 526. So our first equation implies now third equation. After substituting the values, it is denoted by third equation. And then our second equation is A. A of summation x is 4. So which is 4a plus summation x square value is 44. So 44b is equal to summation xy value is 571. So 571, which is our equation number 4. Now we are going to solve our equation 3 and 4. So we know elimination method. By using elimination method, we are going to solve our equation number 3 and 4 and finding the values of a and b. If you solve equation number 3 and 4, you will get the value of b is equal to 7.3333, which is our b value. If you substitute this b into any one of these equations, you will get a value. So here a value is equal to 62.0834. So you know already elimination method. That's why I am going directly to the values of a and b. So by using elimination method, we are finding the values of b and a. So after finding a and b values, you have to substitute into trend line formula, which is caps y is equal to a plus bx, which is caps y. So you have to note this, which is caps y is equal to a plus bx. In this only we are going to substitute our y, small y and small x value. So caps y is equal to small y. We are taken in our question also. We are taking scales. Y is equal to caps y. So that our y value is caps y is equal to small y. And a value is 62.0834 plus b value 7.3333 and x value caps x can be written as x minus 1972. So here in our question they are mentioned, we have to find the scale of 1977. So we have to substitute our x value as 1977. So that we are substituting here x minus 1972 as x value is 1977 minus 1972. If you subtract this term, you will get 5. If you multiply this term, you will get 36.6665. If you solve this equation, you will get y is equal to 98.7499. So which is the solution for this problem? Let us see our type 2, which is fitting a second degree polynomial. In question also they are mentioned, fit a parabola of the form y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Why here they are mentioned parabola? Because our second method is based on curve. So they are mentioned here, fit a parabola. Parabola is a curve of the form y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square from the following data. The data are given below. So let us take our equation y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square, which is our equation number 1. So taking origin for x as 2. So here they are find the value of mean. So if you find mean for this terms, you will get 2. If you find mean for this term, you will get 15 approximately. So you can take it as 22. More than 15 will be 22. So you are taking here 22 as y as origin for y as 22 and x as 2. So x is equal to x minus 2, y is equal to y minus 22. So now we are going to construct our normal equation, which is summation y is equal to an plus b summation x plus c summation x square, which is our equation number 2. Similarly, our equation 3 and 4 are given. So by using these equation, we are going to find the values of a, b, c, because which is our parameters. After finding a, b and c, we are going to substitute our a, b, c into our equation number 1. Then we will get the parabola equation. So fit a parabola for the form, this form, you will get the form. Let us construct a table. Our first column is given x values, second column is y values. We are going to find the value of caps x, which is x minus 2. So we have to subtract 2 in our x value. So 0 minus 2 will be minus 2, 1 minus 2 will be minus 1, 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2. Similarly, we are going to find caps y value, which is y minus 22 by using the equation y minus 22. So 1 minus 22 will be minus 21, 5 minus 22 is minus 17, 10 minus 22 is minus 12, 22 minus 22 is 0, 38 minus 22 will be 16. So you will get the values of caps y if you subtract y from 22. And then you have to find the values of x square. If you square all the terms in x, you will get x square. If you cube all the terms in x, you will get x cube. If we take power 4 for all the terms in x, you will get x power 4. And then you have to multiply x into y, you will get caps xy value. X square into y, you will get caps x square y value. After that, you have to find summation for all this term. You will get summation x equal to 0, summation y is equal to minus 34, summation x square is 10, summation x cube is 0, summation x power 4 is 34, summation xy is 91, summation x square y is minus 34. Now we are going to substitute all these values into our equation 2, 3 and 4. So your equation 2 implies minus 34 is equal to 5a plus 0b plus 10c. So if you substitute the values of summation y, a, n is number of data given here. So 5 data. So n is 5a plus b summation x value is 0. So b value will be 0 plus c summation x square value is 10. So you will get 10c. So which is your equation number 5. Next our equation 3 implies, if you substitute all the values in equation 3, you will get 91 is equal to 0a plus 10b plus 0c. If you solve this equation, your a value, c value will be 0. So you will get only 10b is equal to 91. So b is equal to 91 by 10, which is 9.1. So we got the value of b. Now our equation 4 implies minus 37 is equal to 10a plus 0b plus 34c. So we will get the value of minus 37 is equal to 10a plus 34c, which is our equation number 6. Now we are going to solve our equation number 5 and 6. You will get the value of c. After finding c value, you can substitute c in any one of the equation. You will get a value. So a is equal to minus 11.22. By using elimination method, we are solving 5 and 6. Equation 5 and 6. You will get c value. After finding c value, you have to substitute any one of the equation. You will get a value, so which is minus 11.22. So after getting your parameter values a, b and c, you have to substitute into your equation, which is y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. So which is y is equal to minus 11.22 plus 9.1x plus 2.21 x square. So y value will be, we are taken y as y minus 22 minus 11.22 plus 9.1 into, we are taken x as x minus 2 plus 2.21 into x square as x minus 2 the whole square. If you solve this equation, you will get the value y is equal to 10.78 plus 9.1 of x minus 2 plus 2.21 of x minus 2 the whole square. If they are mentioned, the scale value, x value, you have to substitute here. Otherwise, you can leave this equation. Let us see a type 3, which is fitting exponential curves. Fit a curve on the form y is equal to ax power b. The data are given below. So our equation is y is equal to ax power b. Taking log on both sides. In this equation, we are going to take log on both sides. You will get log y is equal to log ax power b. So we know if it is in log ax power b multiplication term, we can write it as an addition form, which is log a plus log x power b. So log a plus this x power b can be written as b log x. So this can be written as by using our values y. So log y is equal to caps y. So we can write it as y is equal to log a is equal to caps a plus b of log x. B log x can be written as bx. So which is our equation number 1. So the normal equations are given below 2 and 3. The normal equations are our second and third equation. Now we are going to find the values of a and b. Let us construct and table. Our first column is given x values, second column is given y values. We have to find caps x by using a formula, which is log x. Caps y formula is log y. So we know how to find log x in scientific calculator. You have to press log and value 2. So you will get this value 0.301. You have to press log and 3. You will get 0.477. Like that, you have to press log and the values x and y values. You will get log x and log y value, which is caps x and caps y values. After that, you have to multiply caps x and caps y. You will get xy terms. And then you have to square your caps x values. You will get x square terms. After finding all these values, you have to find the summation terms, which is you have to add all the values in x. You will get summation x equal to 2.079. If you add all the values in y, you will get summation y is equal to 2.956. If you add all the values in summation xy, you will get 1.713. If you add all the values in x square, you will get 1.170. Now you have to substitute these terms into a formula. So our second equation implies, which is summation y. Summation y value is 2.954 is equal to, our n value is 4. So number of datas are given here is 4. So n is equal to 4a plus your summation x value will be 2.079 into b. So equation 3 is also mentioned here. So you have to substitute all the values. You will get equation number 3. If you solve equation 2 and 3, you will get the values of a and b. After finding caps a and small b, you have to convert this into your small a value, because in our question we need the value y is equal to a x power b. So that we are going to convert our caps a into small a. So our caps a formula is, we know the formula of caps a, which is log a, but here we need small a. So if we take log into right hand side, it will be anti-log of a. So we know how to find anti-log in calculator. You have to press shift plus log. If you press shift and log, it will be displayed 10. So 10 of, in bracket you have to substitute the value minus 0.294. You will get the value small a is equal to 0.508. So which is your solution here. So your value will be b is equal to 1.986, which is by using elimination method, you will get the value of caps a and b, and then your small a value is 0.508. Now you have to substitute these two values into your question, which is the solution is y is equal to a x power b. So a value is 0.508, x power b value is 1.986, which is your exponential form for this problem. Thank you for watching this video. In this presentation, we have seen important topic which is curve fitting. In that we have seen three important method: fitting a straight line, fitting a second degree polynomial, and our last method is fitting an exponential curve. So fitting an exponential curve is important 10 mark question in regression. So go through all the problems. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I will help you. Thank you once again.